7 ng pinakabagong Ayala Mall, ang Trinoma.
Lahat ng fans at asap sa pamilya ay nagsama-sama para sa red carpet premiere of the third at the box office movie, Transformers.
Are you excited to watch Transformers?
Yeah, I'm a fan. Sino mo gusto niyo makatabi na asap sa pamilya? Actually, katabi namin si Gary.
Excited ba kayo? Sobra! Bata pa ako, nanonood ako ng Transformers, kaya makikita ko na silang buhay talaga.
Eh, ako, happy, ay bonding session, ano mangyayari? Matagal ko na talaga nandito. Excited, siyempre. First time namin to.
Sobrang fan. Paborito ko lahat ng mga Decepticons.
Sino kasama mo?
Wala.
Super excited. As in last year, nasa website na ako, hinihintay ko yung play na to.
Kaya ano masasabi mo sa ASAP box office?
Panalo. Hindi lang pang concert, hindi lang pang variety show, on premiere night. The only time that we and the fans become fans altogether.
Are you guys excited? Yeah! Lahat talaga excited! At sa tulong ng United International Pictures, Paramount, DreamWorks, Warner Music, Ayala Mall, and ABS-CBN, yung official broadcast partner, nag-enjoy talaga lahat.
May special raffle pa para sa authentic Transformers, the movie t-shirt.
Yung maingay, mag-start ng movie.
Talagang more than ay ang Transformers, the most star-studded movie premiere from ASAP Box Office.
Did you guys enjoy it? So nice. Was it romantic? Oh my God, who's your favorite robot?
Siyempre, hindi ako sa bagay shirt ko sa movie.
Goosebumps 3 times in 5 minutes, ha?
What is it about Transformers?
Oh, ganda! Jeez! Bong!
Okay, super.
I want to watch again.
Ano ang Sector 7?
Running, Sector 7 is.
If we were watching...
Sector 6 and Sector 7 is the most anticipated and yes, the most impressive. Exciting.
Two thumbs up. Pinakita ba namin yung favorite stars namin?
Saan pala maging barkada ng Transformers, no? Nag-enjoy na kayo! Kaya huwag na huwag niyo pong papalapasin ang Transformers. Hanggang sa susunod, ako po si John C.
At ako naman si Nick, it's for ASAP Box Office.